Very good evening to everyone out here present here. This is basically my research topic of my PhD, that is non-killing and global peace. Many people initially question me that why such topic of non-killing and peace in the times of power struggle and power approach. Why are you going for a concept like non-killing and global peace? So my idea was peace is important more in the time of wars rather than when it is already a peaceful world. So for the purpose of my research, I conducted a small survey. It was a global survey which I circulated through email, and I asked people indirectly as to in which context they can accept killing. And I asked them whether in the fight for fundamental rights can killing be accepted or for political reasons. And I think you should be surprised that many people said that yes, killing is accepted, not just in the name of fundamental rights, but even for political reasons as well. Even for political reasons, they responded that yes, killing can be accepted, and they said peace is not it's not practical thing. You cannot gain anything by it, and if you have to counter terrorism or terrorist people, you have to answer them through war. War is the only answer. That was the kind of response I was getting from all of them. So now how human dignity comes in the idea of non-killing is dehumanization is the first process that leads to non-killing. That leads to killing, because first the other party is dehumanized. Like if you read Hitler and other such people, you will see that how they dehumanized the other community first, and then they propose them that since they are below human, it is not bad if you kill them. So human dignity here plays a very important role. Now another concept I would like to introduce here, there is a concept of honor killing in India. I would like to acquaint all the people here with. Now honor is the word and killing is another word. Both are combined together may create a paradox. For honor, you are killing. Basically, this idea is if, what used to happen in some of the northern regions of India was if a boy from another community married a girl from another community, their parents would kill them in the name of honor killing, that they have humiliated our family. So it is necessary that we define the word as to what honor means, what the word human dignity means. Because if you are taking human dignity or honor as an ego, then it will be creating problems. It will actually lead to something the opposite of what you want to achieve. So we have to define what human dignity is, what the word honor means. So this is what my whole research is about.